So I won the seventh prize in the yard giveaway, and yes, it's kind of huge. Yes. So this is the prize. It's a computer desk. I haven't set it up as yet, but I'll definitely be trying to set this up. I want to say that I won the prize on Friday and it was delivered yesterday. So, yes, speedy delivery. Also, I was one of the winners in the Latafa cologne giveaway. And as you guys would have known, I got that cologne. It's well appreciated. And as I've said before, this is one of the best shipping company. Who else doing giveaways? Who else giving back to their customers?
You could have a brand new shipping account. You do not need to ship to win. Refer 3 people and participate in the 10,000 giveaway. You could be the next big winner. There are 60 prizes to be won.